Is it okay, right? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think now it's okay. So now in the last class I taken the problem here. So e to the power of 2 into u of minus t. Okay. E to the power of t into u of minus t. So it is h of t is equal to into u of t minus u of t minus 1. So you have plotted this one. We got the staircase like waveform. We got the staircase like waveform we got here. And other one is the e to the power of t minus 2. That is x of t minus 2. So we got the waveform like this. Now let us take the different cases. Let us take now. One is a non-overlapping, other one is the overlapping cases, or something like we'll take those cases. Okay, fine. So right. So let us take the case here. So in this one, so this is t is there. So this is going to be extended from t to the plus infinity, and this is there from 0 to 2. It is there here. 0 to 2. It is having the amplitude is there. So here we need to take the case since it is having the two different voltage levels. Since we have the two different voltage levels are there, so here we need to take the case according to the different one we need to take here. So first case is that non-overlapping condition. Also here we can take here non-overlapping condition. So here there is no overlapping when t is greater than the 2. There is no overlapping here. We can observe here, right? So for t that is greater than 2, there is no overlapping of the signal. So we can say that y of t is equal to the 0. We can say it here. Okay. So then you can take case 1. So case 1. When so t is greater than 2, so there is no overlapping. There is no overlapping of the signal. So therefore, we can say y of t is equal to the 0 for t is greater than 2. For t is greater than 2, so y of t is equal to 0. So what I'm doing is I'm moving the signal from this side. I'm moving here. I'm going to take the signal and I'm moving from this side. And let us take according to the different amplitude levels. So here it is having the 1. So from 1 to 2, it is having the voltage of 1 here. So from 0 to 1, it is having amplitude of 2. 0 to 1, it is having amplitude of 2. So let us do that one and let us get the answers accordingly. So right. So from t is greater than 2. So there is no overlapping of the signal. So it is equal to the 0 will get. Okay. So next, let us take the next condition. So next condition is I'm going to take the t between the 1 to 2. I'm going to take here. So between 1 to 2 because we have the different voltage levels are here. So that's why I'm going to take t between the 1 and 2. Okay. So done. So take case 2. Take the case 2. Case 2 when so okay. So t is between the 1 to 2 here. So 1 is less than t is less than 2. So between 1 and 2, I'm going to take. So the t can move anywhere between the 1 and 2. So let us plot the waveform. I'm going to plot this waveform first. I'm going to plot this waveform first, the staircase waveform. So then I'm going to plot the remaining waveform. So this is from 1 to 2. We'll have the waveform. So this is h of tau. So this is 2 and this is 1. So this is 1, 2, 0. And we can move this t can be moved anywhere between the 1 to 2. So I'm going to say somewhere here between this one. So this is x of t minus 2. So this is 1 and this is somewhere 2 and this is t. This is t. This is t. So right. Now you can see when you take the product of this one, the overlapping will be there from t to 2. There is a overlapping is there. So the product will be having the t to 2. Okay, so we are going to get like this. So this is the waveform will be obtained. So from t to the 2. So this is the product of h of tau into x of t minus tau. T minus tau. So this is the tau axis, not t axis. It's a tau axis. Then the corresponding amplitude is 1 multiplied by the corresponding value. 1 multiplied by the corresponding value will get. So right. Okay, so I'm going to write the expression. So y of t is equal to the integral from minus infinity to plus infinity. So h of tau into x of t minus tau into d tau. So y of t. So the limit is from t to 2. So t to the 2. The value of h of tau is it's 1 multiplied by and x of t minus tau. Already I defined the value of x of t minus tau. It is e to the power of t minus tau here. E to the power of t minus tau. So e to the power of t minus tau into d tau. E to the power of t minus tau into d tau. You can see, right? So here the lower upper limit is 2, the lower limit is t. So t to 2, 1 into e to the power of t minus tau into d tau. Now let us separate the terms. So integral is a function of t. It's not a function of it's a function of tau, not a function of t. So I can take y of t is equal to e to the power of t. I can take outside the limits the remaining quantities t to tau, t to 2 e to the power of minus tau into d tau. So let us integrate. So e to the power of t. So it will become e to the power of minus tau divided by minus 1. The integration of e to the power of ax is e to the power of ax by a. So the value of a is 1 here. So apply the limits. Apply the limits. So this will become e to the power of minus t. Sorry, e to the power of plus t into apply the upper limit e to the power of minus 2 minus e to the power of minus t. So divided by minus 1 divided by minus 1. So what is the value of e to the power of minus 2? What's the value of e to the power of minus 2 will get? So you take your calculator, find the value of e to the power of minus 2. How much you'll get? I guess it will be equal to almost 1 you'll get e to the power of minus 2. Taken. We'll get 1.
0.135, sir.
0.135 will get. So this is from t to 2. So done. So e to the power of this, the integration is correct, right? So e to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 1. So I apply the upper limit e to the power of minus 2 e to the power of minus t divided by minus 1. So this will become okay, let it keep e to the power of minus 2 like that only. So let us multiply this one here. So what we'll get is e to the power of t into this one, it will become e to the power of t minus 2 will get. Okay, instead of taking this one, minus e to the power of plus t into e to the power of minus t. So divided by minus 1, e to the power of plus t minus t will become equal to 0. So e to the power of 0 is the thing at 1. In the minus 1 is there. So you can make it as e to the power of t minus 2, e to the power of t minus 2. Okay, so this is y of t. The limit of t can take 1 is less than t less than 2. So this I'll rewrite here. So y of t is equal to 1 e to 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2. So one can take the value from. Okay, so this answer will get. You can see, right? You can able to see, right? Yeah, so it's visible. You can see. Okay, so 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2 will get. Done. So this is for the case t can take the value 1 to 2 here. Now let us take the case when t can take the value between the 0 to 1 here. 0 to 1. Let us take the value here. So that is case 3 we can take. Case 3. So when 0 is less than t is less than the 1, we are going to make the t to move between the 0 to 1. We are going to make the t to move between the 0 to 1. We are going to make here. So that is 0 is less than t is less than 1. We'll make here. So let us take in the waveform in the next page. I'll take the waveform. So getting the concept right. So I'm going to draw the waveform. I'm going to move the t towards the 0 to 1. I'm going to move 0 to 1. So let us plot the waveform. First we'll plot the waveform for the h of tau. Let us plot the waveform for the h of tau. So next let us plot for the. Okay, so this is the tau axis. This is the h of tau. So I think sometimes the video is getting blurred, right? Sometimes video is getting blurred, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so at that time I'm going to move the page up and I'm going to make sure that. Okay, so this is the waveform of x of t minus tau. So this is t and this is 1. So this is 2. I'm going to move the t between the 0 to 1. I'm going to move. Okay, so this is x of t minus tau. So this is the tau axis. So t minus tau. So you can see the waveform. We are moving the t between the 0 to 1. We are moving t between the 0 to 1. So anywhere you can move it. So now let us take the product here. The product will be results in the two different steps we are going to return, because this is having the amplitude 2 and this is having the amplitude 1. So the waveform will be something like this we'll get. So up to this is 1, this is t, and this is 2. So up to like this, somewhere we'll get like this here. We'll get like this. So some step down will be there like this. Getting it right? So here to here it's one step here. Again here to here another step. We'll get like this. So up to 2 you are going to get. So we need to split the integral into the two parts. So this is the product of h of tau into h of t minus tau. So this is the tau axis. This is the tau axis, you can see. Okay, now I'm going to split the integral into the two parts here. The integral will be like this. So it is y of t is equal to integral from, so one is from t to 1, one is from t to 1. We have the one part of the integration. So t to 1, the corresponding amplitude of this one is 2 here. So 2 is the amplitude of h of tau. So from t to 1, and the corresponding value is e to the power of t minus tau into d tau plus. So from t to 1, the amplitude is amplitude of h of tau is 2, and e to the power of t minus tau is this is x of t minus tau. Okay, so plus I'm going to hold the page up here, just a minute. So 1 to 2, the amplitude of h of tau is 1 here, multiplied by e to the power of t minus tau into d tau. Can you see now? It's visible now.
Yes.
Okay. So now let us integrate this one. Let us take e to the power of t outside here. E to the power of t, let us take outside and do integrate. So we'll take e to the power of t is common in both the times. So it is 2 into e to the power of t. The integration is from t to 1, e to the power of minus tau into d tau, plus the other one is e to the power of t into integral from 1 to 2. So e to the power of minus tau into d tau, e to the power minus tau into d tau. So do integrate this one. So we'll get, so 2 into e to the power of t. The integration of this one is e to the power of minus tau divided by minus 1. The limit is from t to the 1 plus e to the power of t into e to the power of minus tau divided by minus 1. The limit is from t to 1. So 2 into e to the power of t. So integration of this one is e to the power of minus 1 minus e to the power of minus t divided by minus 1. Okay, so plus e to the power of t into, so e to the power of minus 1 minus, this is actually 2, right? So this is actually, the second limit is from 2 to 1 now. So sorry, make the correction here. The second limits of the integration is 2 to 1. So this is 2 to 1. So e to the power of minus 2 minus e to the power of minus 1. Okay. So then 2 into e to the power of t minus 1. So let us multiply here. 2 into e to the power of t minus 1 will get here, e to the power of t into minus this one. Okay, next one is e to the power of plus t into e to the power of minus t. So whole thing divided by minus 1 plus, if you multiply, e to the power of t minus 2 minus e to the power of t minus 1, e to the power of t minus 1. So this is also divided by minus 1. This is also divided by minus 1. So right. So this will become 2 into, okay. So 2 into 1 is 1 minus e to the power of t minus 1. So if I multiply with minus 1, we'll get that one. So plus e to the power of t minus 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2 will get here. E to the power of t minus 2. Okay. So let us simplify. So this is 2. So this is 1 time. So if you take the difference, so we'll get 1 plus e to the power of, sorry, 1 minus here, 1 minus e to the power of t minus 1. So 2 into this one is 2 times the e to the power of t minus 1. And 1 time the e to the power of t minus 1 will get cancelled. So it will become 1 e to the power of t minus 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2 will get. So this is y of t. The limit, time limit is from t can take the value from 0 to the 1 year. So 0 is less than t is less than 1. So done, right? 1 minus e to the power of t minus 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2 from 0 to 1. Done, everyone?
Sir, 2 into 1, 2, sir.
So this is 2, right? Yeah, this is 2. Okay. 2 into e to the power of minus t minus 1 minus e to the power of t minus 2 from 0 to 1. Okay, so now let us take the next case, the last case, case number 4. So any doubts with this one? Any doubts? Okay, so let us take the case number 4. So the next case is when t can take the value less than 0. When t can take the value less than 0, let us see how the waveform will looks. So when t is less than 0, when t can take the value less than 0. So let me plot the waveform for the h of tau, and this one the remaining quantities. So this is the h of tau. So 0, 1, 2. So this is the tau axis. This is h of tau. So this is 2. This is 1. Okay. And the x of tau can take the value greater than less than 0. So somewhere like this, I'm going to move the t here. I'm going to move the t somewhere behind this one. So this is x of t minus tau. So this is 1. This is 2. Okay. So here this one will be having two different staircases will be there. So here if you multiply with 2, so it will be somewhere like this and somewhere like this will get. So similar to the previous one. So like this, the steps will be like this. So this is 0, 1, 2. So this is a product of x of t minus tau into h of tau. So right, we need to split the integral into two parts. So y of t is equal to we'll split into the two parts here. So this is integral from 0 to 1. So it is e to the power of t minus tau multiply with the amplitude of 2 into d tau plus, so integral from 1 to 2 e to the power of t minus tau into this amplitude is 1 year into d tau. Okay, so do integrate, find the solution and summarize the value of the y of t. Okay, summarize the value of y of t and do simplify this one. So do this as a homework. Can you do this one? So do this as homework. So right, we'll do right. Summarize this one and do it as a homework. Okay, I'll go for the next problem so that the integration part you can do it. So take the next problem. Okay, so take the next problem. We'll do right. Can you do this as a homework problem? Can you do this as homework, the integration part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'll do this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do this one and I'll go for the next problem. So take the next problem. Find the convolution of the. So this is the 10th problem. Find the convolution of the. Find the convolution of the following signals. Find the convolution of the following signals. So take h of t, it is from 1 to, so this is h of t, and x of t you can take from 2 to 4. So this is x of t. Okay, So take this problem and you can find the convolution. So can you do this as homework here? So already I done the first problem in today's class. I did as a similar kind of problem. So I can do this as homework so that I'll take another kind of problem I'll take. So can you do this as homework? Can you do this as homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you do this as homework. So I'm going to take another problem. So similar, already I done the similar kind of problem I did here. So you can do this as homework. In the next class, you tell me the value of the y of t. So what are the different possible cases of y of t will be there? So you can tell me in the next class. So right. So every problem, similar kind of problems. So better is you can practice as homework so that I can cover more number of problems. So take the next problem, the similar kind of problem I'll take here, but with the different voltage levels. So take, this is the x of t. So one is h of t, which can take the value from 1 to 4. So 1 to 4. So it is having the value 1. And other one is, so take other one. So from -1 to +1, positive voltage. So from again 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, having the negative voltage. So this is -1, this is +1. So let us call this as the x of t. Okay, so we need to find out. Find y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t. Done. So the previous problem we can do it as a homework here. So I'll do this problem. How this also, can you do it as a homework? Can you do this also as a homework so that I'll take another problem? What shall I do? Okay, so shall I do this problem? Shall I do this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll do this problem. Okay, so what shall we do? So h of t is a, x of t minus t is a. So in which shall I introduce the shift here? Which signal shall I introduce the shift?
H of t.
Yeah, which is the simplest one. Let us, yeah, whichever is the simplest one. Let us introduce the shift in this one. So I'm going to consider y of t is equal to, so x of t convolution with h of t. So this is integral from -infinity to the +infinity. So x of tau into h of t minus tau into d tau. X of tau into h of t minus tau into d tau. Okay, so here we have x of t. We want x of tau, so we can modify this as x of tau here. So no problem. So we'll get this one, and this one is h of t is a. So we want h of t minus tau. So first I'm going to make it as h of t plus tau here. So h of t plus tau means I need to add minus t to this all the time interval. So the signal will become like this. I'm going to shift towards the left side by t units. So it has become 1 minus t. So 1 minus t, and this will become 4 minus t will get here. So since I don't know what is where is the origin, I can call this as h of t plus tau. H of t plus tau. So this is the tau axis. This is the tau axis. So right, this is the tau axis. Done. So 1 minus t into 4 minus t. So this is h of t plus tau. Since I don't know the axis, I can represent like this. Next, let me take the reflection. When you take the reflection, this will go that side. So this has become, so minus t minus 1 will get t minus 1. When we take the reflection, this will become t minus 1, the reflected sequence, and this will become, okay, so t minus 4, and this will become t minus 1. So this signal I can represent as h of t minus tau, h of t minus, so this is a tau axis. So t minus 4. So this will go to that side, t minus 1. This is a t minus 4. Done. And this is a signal we will get x of, we can represent as x of tau, we can represent here. So from -1 to +1 up to the 3. So -1 to the +1 up to the 3. So this is the tau axis. So I can call this as a x of tau, we can call here x of tau. x of tau. Done. So this is h of t minus tau. This is x of tau. Now let us take all the possible cases. Let us take. So you know the width of this one. So from 1 to 4 is nothing but the width of this one is 3 here. So from -1 to the +1, the width of this one is 2. Okay, so let us keep those things in mind and let us do the integration. The time limits, let us take accordingly. So shall I give the time interval? Can you take? Can you do with the convolution problem? Okay, shall I give the time interval and the waveforms I'm going to plot? So you can do the integral. You can do it here. You can do the integration. Okay. So shall I do that one? Can I do that one? I'm going to give the time interval.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you do the integration so that it will be a practice for you and also it will be recall for you people when you can study that one easily. So I'm going to take this is a t minus 1 and this is -1 to the +3 is there. So the first case is non-overlapping condition. So t minus 1 is less than 1 year. So take case 1 when t minus 1 is less than -1. So t minus 1 is less than -1. So means so you can send -1 that side here. So this implies that -1 go that side means it will become +1 here. -1 +1. So this will take. So t is less than 0. T is less than 0. So no overlapping of the signals. No overlapping of the signals. So therefore we'll get y of t is equal to the 0 will get. So since there is no overlapping, so t is less than 0. No overlapping of the signal. So it will become equal to the y of t is equal to 0. Okay. Done, right? Okay. So next case, let us take the next case. Case 2 will take here. So what's the case 2 is? So the waveforms we have here. So t minus 1 is greater than -1 and less than +1 here. So t minus 1 is greater than 1 minus 1 and less than the +1. Let us take this case. Okay. So we'll take this case because it is the positive axis. The next is the negative axis will be there. So there we can take the other case we'll take. Okay. Done, right? So when you are taking t minus 1 is greater than this one. So this is having the 3 units is there. This is having the 2 units is there. So the waveform is going to be there overlap. Still the outside there is some part of the waveform will be there. Okay. So this will be helpful for the next case. Let us do this one. So take the second case. T minus 1 is greater than -1. So when t minus 1 is greater than -1 and t minus 1 is less than the +1. Less than the +1. So t minus 1 is greater than -1 means -1 go this side, it will become +1. So +1 -1 will become 0. Next t is less than, when -1 comes this side, it will become 1 + 1, it will become 2. So it can be written as 0 is less than t is less than 2. We can write here less than 2. 0 is less than t is less than 2. We can write. So this is a time interval. So let me plot the waveform for this one. So any doubts in the time interval? So you're going to make the t minus 1 greater than -1 less than the one we are going to make here. So let me plot the waveform for x of tau first here. So x of tau. So from -1 to +1, again from 1 to 3. So this is the tau axis. This is 3. So this is 1, -1, 0. So this is x of tau. We got x of tau. And let us plot the h of t minus 1. So it is going to between this case. So anywhere it is going to lie. So this is h of t minus tau. So this is the tau axis. Say this is the thing but t minus 1. And say this is the thing but t minus 4. And here somewhere -1 is there. And here +1 is there. +1. And this is -1. This is t minus 4. So when you take the product of this one, the product is going to exist from -1 to the t minus 1. So -1 to the t minus 1, the product is going to exist. So since both are having the amplitude 1, so this is also having the amplitude 1. So this is the product of x of tau into h of t minus tau. So this is the tau axis. X of tau into h of t minus tau. This is the tau axis we'll get. So -1 to the t minus 1. Done. Okay. So the integral part we can write y of t is equal to So already we defined the generalized formula. Let us substitute this one. So from -1 to the t minus 1, the integration is 1 into d tau. 1 into d tau. So the time axis is from 0 is less than t is less than 2. Okay, so do integrate this one. Do integrate this one. So got it right? Any doubts in this one? Any doubts? So when you are drawing the waveform, make sure that you're going to that is indicate the corresponding time indexes. So there will be no confusion. So done. Done, right? So I'm going to take the next case. The next case is nothing but, so t minus 1 is greater than 1. So t minus 1 is greater than 1, and this time index t minus 4 is less than -4. We'll take here less than -1. So t minus 4 is less than -1, and t minus 1 is greater than +1. You are going to take here. So since it is having the width of 3, it is having the width of 3 here, and this is having the width of 3, and this is having the width of 2. So when I'm going to move here, I'm going to move. So this part, some part of the waveforms will getting overlapped here. Some part of the waveforms will getting overlapped here. So how much part will be getting overlapped is, so this is from the this part, it is getting overlapped here. So here somewhere will be outside here, and here some part will be after the signal will be there here. So after the signal, it is getting overlapped like this. Okay, now so how it is going to overlap. So we are going to take the case t minus 1 is greater than 1, and t minus 4 is less than -1. T minus 4 is less than -1. Can we take that case? So right, we can take that case here. So take case number 3 when t minus 1 is greater than, when t minus 1 is greater than 1. So this is greater than 1. So because the width of this one is 3 and the width of this one is 2 here. So and t minus 4 is less than -1. T minus 4 is less than -1. So t minus 1 is greater than 1 means, so t is greater than 2 we can take here, and -1 if we go that side it will become +1. So t is less than the 3. So -4 it will become +4. +4 minus 1 is 3. So this implies, so 2 is less than t is less than 3 will get. Done. Any doubts in the time axis? So when you are having the multiple signals with the different amplitudes, we should take care of the width of the other signal and width of the present signal. We need to take, and we need to move the signals accordingly. Okay, even if you take multiple many time intervals also no problem. Still the problem is correct, but you need to take the corresponding amplitude levels we should take correctly. So done. Any doubts in this one? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So don't simply carry all the doubts, because this is a 20 marks. Easily, you can score the 20 marks. So just if you know how to shift the waveforms, so then take the product. It is very simple. You can enjoy the problem really. If you know the concept, really you'll enjoy the problem. Otherwise, it is difficult to digest. It's like a Greek and Latin. So I'm going to draw the waveform for the x of tau. I'm going to plot the waveform for the x of tau. So this is tau. So this is the time interval is from -1 to the +1 and to the 3. So this is 1. So this will be -1. And other one is I'm going to move h of t minus 2. So some part I'm going to move towards the negative time interval. Some part I'm going to retain here. So since it's having the width of 3. Okay. So even if you are getting overlapped, so this will be 1. So this is t minus 1. So this is -1. So this will be t minus 4. T minus 4, and this is the product of this is h of t minus 2, h of t minus 2, h of t minus 2. This value is 1 here. So any confusion in the taking the waveform? Any confusion in taking the time interval? If you have any confusion, just you can let me know. Okay, so even though it is having the width, even if I make this one 0.5 outside, this 0.5 will be outside, it will be there here. If I'm going to move this one 0.5 here, this is also 0.5 outside will be there. Done. Done, right? Okay, so now when you take the product here, when you take here, so from -1 to +1, it is having the value 1 will be there. So from -1 to the +1, it is having the value 1 will be there. Okay, so from 1 to t minus 1, it is having the value minus 1 will be there. So 1 to t minus 1, it is having the value 1. Sorry, minus 1 will be there. So this is minus 1, this is plus 1. So this is x of tau into h of t minus tau. That's a product here. We can see, right? Video clarity is there. Okay. Done. Now let us define the convolution integral. So y of t is equal to integral from minus 1 to the plus 1. So it is 1 into d tau plus integral from 1 to t minus 1. The corresponding amplitude is minus 1 here and d tau minus 1 and it is d tau. So do integrate. The time interval is from. So 2 is less than t less than 3. Okay, find the solution. Let me know the solution in the next class. Done. Taken, right, everyone? Everyone taken, right?
Yes,
Okay. So I'll move on to the next case. I'll move on to the next case. Let us see what we get. Okay. So done. So I'll go for the next case. I'm going to keep this as a reference. So, okay, fine. So this is the case number 4. So the problems are interesting, or it's boring, or it's complex. Interesting, boring, complex. 3 options, A, B, C. Which is the option you're going to reply? A, B, C. Interesting. A is interesting. B is boring. C is a complex, complicated one. No reply. So the last one is the no reply, means not understood anything. A, B, C, D. Which one?
Interesting, sir, but
Interesting.
lengthy.
Yeah, obviously marks will be lengthy. So how much problem complexity will be there? So much marks will be there. So this kind of problems, 12 marks will be there, 8 to 12 marks. So based on that one, you need to answer. So, but you should go to the micro level and you should understand the concepts here. So if you anything, if you go to the micro level, really will enjoy the problems. Really will if you understand the concept, problems. If any complicated problems, you'll get really will enjoy and solve that problem. Okay. So fine. Now let us take the case 4 here. So this is t minus 1. So already we moved the t minus 1 greater than 1 and t minus 4 less than 1 here. Now I can take is t minus 4 between the minus 1 to the plus 1 we can take here. Minus 1 to the plus 1. So that t minus 1, it will take the value greater than 1 only. Less than 3 will be there. Less than 3. Okay. So t minus 1 is less than 3 and t minus 4 is between minus 1 to the plus 1 here. Minus 1 to the plus 1, or you can take greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1. Okay. So obviously this is having the length 3. This is the 2 and this is, it will be there. So the signal can be moved anywhere here like this. Okay. So even though if you have the, this is length 3 here. Okay. So I can move, this is length 2. So even if I'm moving here, so one portion will be here, other portion will be in this one. So take the case 4 when, so when t minus 4 is greater than minus 1. So t minus 4 is greater than minus 1. And in the meantime, t minus 1 is less than 3. So t minus 1 is less than 3. Let us send this side here. So t is greater than 3. Minus 4, if you go that side, it will become minus 4 plus 4 minus 1, 3. So t minus 1. So send 1 that side, it will become t is less than the plus 4 here. So this implies 3 is less than t is less than 4. So in the previous case we have taken. So 3 is in this case 3 is t can take the value 3 to 4. In the previous case we have seen. So from 2 to 3 we have seen here. Now it's a 3 to 4. What are the time interval you are going to take? It should be continuous one, will be there. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, something like that. It should be continuous one. So let me plot the waveform for the x of tau first here, and later we'll plot for the t minus 1. Okay. So x of tau. If you're not getting any part of the problem, now only you can ask me. So later don't feel bad like you had not understood. And later, if any point of the time you say after the A, so I didn't understood, that's why I not written. So I'll not agree with that one. So because each and every problem I'm asking the any doubts, any clarity you want, any way you want the explanation I'm asking in each and every problem. So in the IA, if you write, but in the main exam it matters for you. So IA you can score the marks easily. Otherwise, we are going to give the marks no problem for about IA, but scoring the marks in the IA is main exam is main important. Okay, scoring the marks is the main exam is main important. Okay, that's an important criteria. So this is somewhere -1. So this is t minus 4, t minus 4. Okay, t minus 4. Next, this is this value is it is t minus 1. So this is h of t minus tau into tau. Okay, now this is having the width 2 and this is having the width 2 here. So but this one is having the width 3. So even if I move till the 3, if I move here, t to the 3, if I move it here, so then still the sum part one portion it will be here. One part of this one it will be here. So okay. So now when you take the product of this one, the product will be encounter. So from t minus 4 up to 1. So t minus 4 up to 1, it is having 1. So again from 1 to t minus 1. 1 to t minus 1, it is having the value -1 is a. So this is the product of x of tau into h of t minus tau. H of t minus tau. So this is -1, this is +1. H of t minus tau. Now let us take the integral. So any doubts in the product here? So from t minus 4 up to 1, it will be +1. Again from 1 to t minus 1, it will be having the -1 will be there. So take the integral. So integral is t minus 4 up to the 1. It is 1 into d tau plus integral from 1 to the t minus 1. It is having the value -1 into d tau. So the time limit is 3 is less than t is less than 4. So find the y of t and let me know the what is the y of t in the next class. So do the integral part. So any doubts in this one? Any doubts in this integral part? Take the waveform, take the integral, so you can do the integration. Done, right? Okay, fine. Now let me take the case 5 here. Case 5. So you can do this part as the integration part. So the next case 5 is, so any doubts in the case 4? Any doubts in the case 4? Okay. So how you are going to take the case? It defines. Okay. So how micro level, if you go to the problem, so there we can take the cases easily. You can take here. So in depth, just you observe the time interval and you take the corresponding cases here. Okay. So nothing difficulty in this one. Okay, fine. Now let us take the case here. Already we have taken the case t minus 1. So greater than 1, less than 3 we have taken, and t minus 4 between -1 to +1 we have taken here. Okay. So now what we can do is, if you are going to move t minus 1 outside the 3, if you're going to move t minus 1 outside the 3, okay, so then it will be there. So let us take the condition. So t minus 4 is greater than 1. So if you take t minus 4 greater than the 1, so already it is 4 is, So what we should take is, so t minus 4 is less than 1 we need to take here. T minus 4 is less than 1 and t minus 1 is greater than 3 we need to take here. So t minus 1 is greater than 3 because the continuous time intervals we need to get here. So your 3 to 4 you're going to get. So t minus 4 is less than 1 and t minus 1 is greater than 3. Let us take here greater than 3. Done. Correct, no? So t minus 4 is, so the case 4 when t minus 4 is greater than, sorry, t minus 4 is less than 1, and other one is t minus 1 is greater than 3. Okay, so let me check with this one. So send -4 that side. So t is less than 5 will get here. T is less than 5 and send 1 that side. So t is greater than 4 will get here. So here the continuous time interval we should get here. So here we have 3 to 4. So here we get, so 4 is less than t is less than 5 will get here. 4 is less than t is less than 5 will get. So draw the waveform accordingly. So here in this problem we have more number of cases. Or because the width is different width is there, that's why. So if this width is equal to 2, then the cases will further change here. So since it is having the width 3, that's why we have more number of cases. So let us plot the signal called x of tau. So from -1 to the +1, so 3. So this is tau, this is -1. I can move this h of tau like this. So even if it is part, some part is there, so the waveform will be like this. So tau. So this is t minus 4 and this is t minus 1. So somewhere here 3 will get here because we are taking t minus 1 is greater than 3. So here it is 1 will get. So this is 3. This is t minus 1. This is 1. This is t minus 4. So when you take the product of this one, you can able to see the waveforms, right? Can you see? So this is t minus 4, 1, and this is 3 and t minus 1. So right. So when I take the product, so from t minus 4 up to 1, it is having the value t minus 4 up to the 1, it is having the value 1 here. And again from 1 to 3, so because afterwards also t minus 1, after 3 also the waveform will be there. So the product will exist from 1 to 3 only, the product will exist here. 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So this product will be equal to -1 and this is +1. This is the product of h of t minus tau into x of tau. Okay, so take the product, this one we got here. Now let us write the integral form. So from t minus 4 up to the 1. So from t minus 4 up to the 1, it is having the value 1 into d tau. 1 into d tau. Okay, so again from 1 to 3. So 1 to 3, the value is nothing but -1 into d tau. So the time axis from 4 is less than t is less than 5. So write the expression. So 4 is less than t is less than 5. So we got, so this is for 4 to 5 years. Done. Still we have 2 cases. The next case will be, okay, so from 1 to 3, other case will be non-overlapping case. So find the integral part of this one. So done. Find the integration. I'll go for the next one. Everyone taken this one, right? Everyone taken, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me take the next case. Okay, so I'll take the next case. Case 6. Okay, this is we are getting running out of the many cases. Okay, so next case is, what is the next case is, so here t minus 4 between the 1 to 3 here, t minus 4 between the 1 to 3. So that is t minus 4 is greater than 1 and t minus 4 is less than the 3. T minus 4 is greater than 1 and t minus 4 is less than 3. So this will become, so t is greater than 5 and t is less than the 7 here. -4 outside will become 7. So 5 is less than t is less than 7. So right. So let us plot the waveform for the x of tau first. So from -1 to the 3. So this is the tau axis. This is 3, 1, -1. So this is x of tau and h of t minus tau. So it can take from -1 to 3, it will take here. So somewhere here. So this is 1, this is 3. So this is h of t minus tau. So this is the tau axis. Can you see the waveform? Okay. So this is t minus 4 and this is t minus 1. So when you take the product will exist from the, so t minus 4 up to the 3. So 1 multiplied by -1, it will become -1. So from 3 to the t minus 4, the product will become equal to -1. So this is x of tau into h of t minus tau. Okay. So the product will exist from t minus 4 to the 3. T minus 1 k taking the value outside the 3. So this is the product will encounter. So just I'll define the integral. So I'm going to leave the class. So the product is from, so t minus 4 up to the, so t minus 4 up to the up to the 3. So the product is -1 into d tau. Okay, find the solution. So y of t will become, so 5 is less than t less than 7. So this is a solution we get here. So do integrate. And the case number 7. So there is a non-overlapping case when t minus 4 can take the value greater than 3. Okay, so taken right. So when t minus 4 can take the value greater than 3, so no overlapping. No overlapping. So therefore y of t is equal to 0 for t. If you go that side, t is greater than the 7 here. So summarize.